Good. Testing, testing, testing. Hope everybody can hear me. Hope everybody can hear me good. Good now. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm here with you guys. Yeah, we'll begin in a bit. I'm just trying to wait for everyone to join. Fairly, won't waste much time here today because I have like other things to do in a bit. So I just wanted to show you guys what we have going on for the week. The setups, man. Some of our setups are not playing now. This Euro AUD is still later played out fully when I thought like I just said you guys shouldn't take it anymore. It still played out fully, but we've gotten a new setup again from it. Hopefully, this time around, this new this new setup plays out from it. Hopefully. So the reason why I cancelled it for two reasons. First, this equal lows and setups like this are low probability, and I'm not going for any low probability setup. So this equal lows, price failed to like break past it. Price not close below the low. Then number one, then number two, when it got here, it kind of like sold, gave you 1 to 2. So that 1 to 2 already was like, oh, this was not going to sell anymore. The 1 to 2 that happened. So I was thinking it was not going to sell anymore since it has hit the target overnight at midnight. And I don't take trades during Asian session. So, but later on, it still played out yesterday during New York session fully. So this I'm not even mad about it because I purposely ignored the trades. So this was not a trade that I was mad about. Then we have on GBP JPY, we have a new setup on GBP JPY. Remember what we were explaining last week? I was waiting for it to break above this high, so which it has done. I was waiting for GBP JPY to break above that high, which it has done. So we still have this area for buys. So that's why hopefully it retraces. But I don't think I don't have like a full confidence that this is going to retrace, man, because trades have been messing up. Same thing for Euro JPY. Euro JPY did not retrace. It didn't come back to entry. But I was waiting for it to come back here then buy. This was a good entry, high probability setup. It even had an imbalance, but it didn't come back to entry. So one thing about forex trading, you can't really you can just analyze. You can't force the market to do what you want it to do. You understand? So this did not play out again. Another high probability setup. This did not play out. This Euro JPY from Sunday. So the only setup we are left with is Euro USD. Euro USD is the only setup I'm left with. This is the only swing setup. This might probably be the only swing setup we might take this March. I don't think it's going to play out this February. February is almost over. You understand? So this is the only setup I think is going to play this March. This Euro USD. Hope everybody can hear me and you guys are following up with the analysis. So this Euro USD is the swing setup I'm waiting for. It comes from the daily. This is a proper swing setup. So we still have this. There also GBP JPY. I still have GBP JPY for buys. Then CHF JPY. I still have my CHF JPY. Yes, for buys. I'm still looking at this one is a good setup though. This CHF JPY. I'm still looking at it for buys. So I'm trying to buy CHF JPY. Yeah. So this one, I'll send this one to you guys now. I think I sent it already though. I sent it to the journal. I probably sent it. Oh no, I probably sent to you guys the last time. I think I sent it. Yeah, CHF JPY. Yeah, I sent CHF JPY. I sent it. So we'll have CHF JPY, Euro USD, and then GBP JPY and NZD. Then we also have a sell bias, a swing sell bias on USD JPY. Let me show you guys that. I have like a sell bias on USD JPY. This guy, a swing sell bias on USD JPY. And then this USD JPY will activate. Will be ready soon, probably this week. I'll keep an eye on it this week or next week. It will be ready. So this is a sell setup coming from the daily and also the weekly, the daily time frame. So I'm waiting for like a change of character on the lower time frame before we jump in. You get it? Then on gold, I wanted to give this out yesterday, but gold is going to start selling. So for a while, gold is going to start selling for a while. My overall view now is sells on gold. Gold is going to start selling. The sell will be a retracement. As you guys can see, the sell will be a retracement for the buy on the higher time frame. So you have like I don't have like entry yet. So you have something like this, or you see something like this, then something like this on gold. So gold will be giving you more of sales on gold. I'll advise you to take more of sales on gold. So yesterday I was with my students, analyze this for them. This has already given us a BOS here, practically a change of character here. Then, but the thing did not exactly go to the entry where I want it to go. That means I don't like it's supposed to come back to fill up. There's an imbalance here. It didn't fill it up. Like it didn't fill up that imbalance before. There's an imbalance here. It isn't done. It didn't fill it up. So this is still giving me like this guy can still push up here. He could still push up here before selling. You understand? But already I'm more of sales on it. And if you go to your lower time frame, you see that today's trend is bearish. Today's trend on gold is bearish. If you can see on your lower time frame, you already seen this break. So you know that today's trend already is bearish. It's giving sales. You understand? So more sales on gold, to be honest, more sales on gold. Then Bitcoin, we are cooking for Bitcoin. I'm waiting for Bitcoin to retrace. I'm looking for buys on BTC. I'm looking for buys on BTC, full buys on BTC. So Bitcoin, it has already activated our swing zone. Remember the 62K area. It has tapped into it already. So I'm waiting for it to come back. Let's see. I want to see it retrace around here, then look for buys. I want to see it retrace back to this other block here. Then look, and there's also an imbalance around the area. Then look for buys. That's what I want to see on BTC. I want to see it retrace back to that area. Then we'll look for buys on Bitcoin. So these are the setups I have cooking. So let me just screenshot this to add it to it. Then GBP GPY, add GBP GPY to it. GBP GPY is ready. Add it to it. So these are like the major things I'm looking out for. Gold bearish. These are like the major things I'm looking out for. So we might have something like this on gold. So hold on, let me show you guys that. Now I'm seeing a setup on this guy. Just hold on. So we have this sweep. We have this sweep. We have this sweep. And hold on. We have that sweep. Then we have your liquidity here. But the thing with this particular setup is that there's no, sorry, hold on, let me delete this. There's no imbalance. There's no imbalance here, so you probably want to scale down to lower time frame to look for your entry. Instant, probably want to scale down to lower time frame to look for your entry. So you probably, so your buys will likely be coming out from somewhere around here on gold. Gold buys will be coming from somewhere around here today on gold. So just look for your buys somewhere around that box, somewhere around there on gold. Well, your sales, it's going to sell. It has already started the sell trend. So it's going to sell to buy. It's going to sell to eventually buy. Gold is going to sell, then eventually buy. I'm telling you, gold is going to sell there because we've seen a break of structure above this high. Price has given you a BOS above this high. You understand? So we could see a sell to buy. But the problem with this is that there's no imbalance here. There's no imbalance on this zone. So, but it's still a good setup. I'm not expecting price to. Your stop loss should be below. Hold on. If you are taking your buys, this will be a good out. I will even probably set an alert on this guy. Probably set an alert around here. So, I just pray that when it activates, I'm not busy because I'm going out. But hopefully, where I'm going, I'll be able to operate my PC. So, but I just pray I'm not really busy because I want to catch this buy, this New York section. This is like a good setup, a good buy. I want to catch it with you guys, and I'd have loved to do it live. So that's why I said, hopefully, I'm not busy so I can do it live. But if I can't, I'll just call the trade. Yeah, just stay tuned to the Telegram channel. I'll just call the trade via the Telegram channel. So this should be it. Gold buys around here. Then for now it's going to sell. So if you're looking at buys here, your stop loss will probably be below this line. You get it? Stop loss below that line. So that'll be it for gold. So that'll be all for now, guys. Then I think is there fundamentals today? I think there's some fundamentals today. Let me quickly check. Quickly check if there's some fundamentals today. Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. So guys, I'm thinking of doing something. I'm thinking of doing like a 3 days or 5 days free trading bootcamp for next week. 3 days or 5 days trading bootcamp for next week. Free. I will spill a lot just for 3 days or 5 days. 3 days or 5 days trading bootcamp for free. Masterclass. Not for beginners, masterclass. So there's no news today. There's no news today. There's no news today. So, but I'll let you guys know. I'll update you guys via the Telegram channel. And they will do a proper announcement on Sunday, and we'll do a proper announcement on Sunday of it. Then drop the flyers and everything. I just need to plan around it, plan my way around it. You understand? So I'll see you guys then. You get so everybody have a nice day, and God bless you. This trade might activate so. This trade might activate so. Well, just keep an eye on it. So everybody have a nice day, and God bless you guys.